something, and this is where I mean that there has to be some community help, something. I know it's easier said than done, and pardon me if if I'm suggesting this and you disagree, but Professor Tirunagari, can you imagine, you and I are women here, every night this child was raped, okay? He would get drunk and force himself upon her. This younger sister would be around knowing full well that he's taken her upstairs or wherever. No one had a clue about it. So which means these girls had no access to anybody outside their home, most probably.
Absolutely, Sudhaji. That's what the girl told me today, the younger girl, the younger sister of the girl. She says, ma'am, every single day when Madhu Yadav would take her upstairs, the moment he comes down again, after that, he would threaten them that if you tell this to anybody, I would kill you and also your family. She has spoken it on camera. We have that also. Even after this, the Child and Women Welfare Department of Telangana, the state of Telangana, does not even have the minimum common sense, I should say, to go and talk to that girl. When were they, employed? How long were they there? From how long the sexual assault has been happening on the elder sister? Has there been a sexual assault on the younger sister as well? I think, Sudhaji, you and me understand very clearly, and most of the people outside understand that this is what, minimum they should do. The Child Welfare Department of Telangana, they should have asked the girl. They should have sent the girl for medical examination.
Yes.
Am I speaking anything that is Greek and Latin, Sudhaji? It's agonizing, I should say. I met that girl. She doesn't understand what is rape. She doesn't understand what is happening. She just knows that uncle takes her sister upstairs and gets her back in the sometime after probably midnight or so. She just knows that. And what is the Child Welfare Department of Telangana doing?
Yes.
They should have at least talked to that girl.
So politics besides politics. Yeah, I'm so happy, Professor Tirunagari,
they haven't even gone to her till
yeah, this is not about politics.
That's what I'm saying.
Yeah, they haven't even gone. They haven't gone to the family. They are just there. They've disappeared. This is what they did even earlier, if you may recall. I mean, despite repeated pleas, now this girl was from a poor economic background. But the case of the photographer girl who's educated, who's 20 years old, she said the same thing to me. She told India Ahead that it's been a week, but no one has even looked in this direction, as to what happened to me.
And
she said exactly the same thing, and it is so ironical that this same thing is happening. And they talk about women's empowerment. They say this is what we will do. The GHMC elections also, they are apparently, putting up a list of how to keep women safe and secure. End of the day, same story. One woman gets raped in Hathras, she dies. The police... there is supposedly, allegedly, cremates her with, in a hurry. Here, no one is even answering to that younger sister of that girl. So everyone just talks about it and moves on. That's about it. And this is where the government, the child welfare, all these departments are answerable. Will someone get up and answer what is going on in Telangana?
And
Mr. Khan, what are the charges which have been put on this TRS leader, Mr. Yadav?
Charges are that
is there criminal intimidation?